Okay guys, welcome to Battalion Motorsports. As you've seen on our Instagram and Facebook post, we did buy an XTF kit. So today we're going to show you what our pack list is and what kit we bought. Okay guys, so if you're going to be picking up from Factory 5 or getting it delivered, when you get your pack list from Factory 5, you should go through, make sure you have every single box in your order. Sometimes there's a couple things back order, but Factory 5 will fulfill those back orders quickly and on. So as you see, we have our kit here in the background of our video. We did buy the XTF Stage 1. We're starting off with the easier kit so we can show the whole build of Stage 1, and later on we'll do a whole build series of Stage 2. Alright guys, so let's start with our kit. We're going to start with box 1. So then you'll go to your order sheet. So box 1 should be our upper control arms, our ball joint tool, and dowel pin. Okay, now you can get up close. Alright guys, so box 1, these are our tubular upper control arms. Factory 5 supplies them with the ball joints and the cool piece, this little tool to install the ball joints into our control arms. Box 2, let's open her up. So box 2 should be all our leaf spring parts, washers, nuts, bushings, pilot sleeves, and all the hardware to install our leaf springs. Roll. All right, we have box 3 on the table. Let's open up and show you what's inside. So one of my favorite parts about the Factory 5 XTF build is that they're working with Fox Shocks. Fox Shocks, as you know, has been a long time good company, and it's cool that they're partnered up with them. So these are our front shocks for the truck. Comes with the hardware. So that's box 3. All right, box 4. So, all right, box 4 is just like box 3, but these are the rear shocks from Fox. Box 5. Okay, shut. All right, so box 5 has all the hardware for our fuel lines. This is the fuel filler hose. Yes, it does look small, but it is the same size as factory. In the tube is a hard brake line or fuel line that we use to make the extended line for the vent hose to the filler. And these are our front extended brake lines. All right, box 6. You're good. All right, so box 6 is a pretty big box. So we got all the different miscellaneous hardware, screws, brackets, seals, everything. Even we got stainless steel CNC bent brackets in-house at Factory 5. I mean, I love Factory 5 because they supply every bit of hardware, anything you need to build their kit so you can build it at your house. All right, so another nice touch that Factory 5 does, so we bought one of the first kits, and then for the first batch of kits, they give you these beautiful XTF Founders Edition badges. So we'll be putting this on our truck, a nice piece. So thank you very much, Factory 5. All right, so this is box 9. So we skipped from 6 to 9 because we're XTF stage 1. Stage 2 would have the in-between boxes. God damn, they even put the brackets in it too. There you go, you can take a photo of that. That's pretty cool. All right, so box 9 is a fun one. So we have our headlights from Factory 5. Why is Factory 5 sending headlights? Because we widened the track width of the truck. So now the old factory headlight is actually deeper, and with our 37s that we're going to be running, it would hit the back of the headlight. So Factory 5 designed a headlight that's lower profile, so clearance with our tires. Okay, so we didn't get to show you box 10 because we had to fit it into our truck. It was a little tight. But this is box 10. These are all the aluminum filler panels and splash panels for the XTF build. Box 17. So this is box 17. So we have our grill insert and then laser cut stainless lettering for our grill. Then you pause and then you do your B-roll because then I can get out of the shot. Yeah. All right, so this is box 25 and 26. The lower control arms, as you see, a little beefy, but all made at Factory 5 in the shop. Box 33. Okay, so this is box 33. As you see, it kind of grew, but this is our tubular front bumper and the brackets and the drill jig and hardware. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your drill jig, mount it up to the frame. It'll let you drill the holes you needed for the supplied brackets. Box 34. Rear bumper gives you all the panels, LED lights that are flush mounted to the bumper, and also, as you can see with the circles, they have the provisions for the backup sensors. Now, if you do not have backup sensors, there's plastic caps that you can put in to just cover the hole. Box 44. Is our CV axles, and we have extended tie rod pieces because with the new XTF kit, from a stock F-150 to the XTF kit, we are 10 inches wider, so we need to extend everything. So Factory 5 supplies extended axles and all the hardware to do it. All right, so there's two options that you can get with the Factory 5 XTF kit. You can get it in carbon or fiberglass, except for the grill. The grill will always come in carbon. So you can get that option if you want to for your XTF build. Okay, so now we went through all our boxes and you can see table's empty. So this is everything that comes in the stage 1 XTF build from Factory 5. As you can tell, everything's nice quality, good parts, everything's made in-house. It's really nice to see that a company that tries to keep as much as possible built here in the US. So can't wait to the next video. So showing you what we're going to be building on our XTF build.